What's up, Two Wheel fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your main man, Booster Rails. Here today, an exciting day today. It's two parts to that. Number one, today is actually my birthday, August the 7th. And two, I received an amazing gift in the mail for said birthday. So without further ado, we got the Insta360. We got the Insta360 for the Booster. We're gonna do a quick unboxing, not gonna hold you too long, and I'm gonna show you the accessory kit that I got that also came along with it. So before we get to unboxing that, do me a favor if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, if you don't mind. But to go along with it, this is not the accessory kit I was talking about. This is just the SD card. So we got the 256 gig, and that was the one that was recommended for the Insta360. So I'm just getting my trusty knife out so I can open up this box. I've been waiting for this, guys. I've been going back and forth about getting it. I've been asking a lot of people their opinions on it and so forth and so on, and I got nothing but good reviews. Only thing that I'm kind of going back and forth about is where I'm gonna mount it. But fortunately, I have something that's gonna give me plenty of options. So without further ado, the piece of resistance. Bow. There she goes. There she goes. The Insta360. So in the box here, we got, almost dropped that. We got the actual Insta360. And over here, I'm pretty sure this is this little box with some stuff in it. Some doohickeys, I guess. Let's see what's in here besides this bag of gel stuff, you know, keep the stuff fresh. But let's go ahead and pop this open. Alrighty, what we got here first? Okay, that's a little something. These are just the manuals and stuff, I believe. Manuals. Yep, there's a couple manuals. Of course, I'm a manual guy. I'm gonna go through them all. And on this end, we have the actual lens protectors, the lens covers, to protect it when we're out there riding or whatnot. The lens doesn't get chipped up or broken or anything like that. So put that down there in that empty box. And up next, we have, feels like a little bag type deal. And that's exactly what it is. This is gonna be the carrying case for it. Says Insta360 on the tag there, that's pretty cool. And then here we got some information about a thermal grip cover, which doing my research, this is the thermal grip cover. They said basically to protect, if it gets hot in any certain conditions and you're holding it with your hand, you know, that'll help out with it. We've got a cloth right here to clean the lenses. And then we have here, I believe this is the USB-C to USB-C cable. That's exactly what that is. So that's pretty cool. But this 360 feels pretty rugged and sturdy. You know, I can't wait to get it on the bike and get some of those fantastic views for you guys. But it feels really sturdy. I've already downloaded the app on my computer. So I'm gonna get to, you know, playing around with it and stuff like that to start getting used to editing and stuff like that. Now up next, we have the motorcycle bundle. Motorcycle bundle. Yeah. So this bundle, it comes with a heavy duty clamp, two flexible adhesive mounts, which I'm going to be using those, and of course the heavy duty clamp, a clamp mount wrench, a hex wrench, 2-prong adapter, thumb screw, 3-prong to 1/4 inch adapter, anti-slip ring, cleaning wipes, and a user manual. So we're going to go in here real quick just to look at those things. Well, I probably don't need to open both sides. Or do I? Yeah, I do. My bad. Yeah, I've been looking at so many videos, and shout out to everybody that, you know, gave me feedback on the Insta360. on social media and so forth and so on. So down here, down bottom, we got a manual, something in this bag here. Oh, some 3M adhesive right here. So I have to use that. And this here is the, hope nothing falls out. This is the actual bundle kit. Okay, so this is the actual wrench for the grip, which is right, hold on, right here. So that's the grip that you can put on your handlebars. I've seen people put them on their rear passenger peg. I think that might be the lane that I choose, the rear passenger peg. And then we have two of these adhesive, these rubber mounts, so they can, they're flexible. That's what I wanted to say. So you can pretty much put them in several different places. And then we got some adapters here, small adapters and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to go ahead and get a mount set up on there. So we're gonna actually see what the Insta360 is gonna look like on the bike. And I might do some little recording so you guys can see some angles, and it also give me some experience with the desktop app that I'll be using. I'm gonna also download the mobile app just in case, but I'm more of a desktop person when it comes to stuff like that, because I can, get a better sense of what's going on and what I want to do with the videos. So guys, let's go ahead and get to installing this on the bike. All right guys, so for this first mounting position, we're going to use 3 parts. That's not including the Insta360. So we have the flexible adhesive mount right here. We have an adapter with the 1/4 inch that'll go into the actual 360. And we've got the screw to hold it all together. So first thing they tell you to do is wipe it on down. This is gonna be installed on the front windshield right here. So just wipe that off real quick. And also, when you pull this, the protector for this adhesive, make sure you save this. So after you take it back off, you can put it back on to protect it from getting dirty. So I'm just gonna sit that down there. And we're gonna find out which side is up. Okay, this side. And we're gonna see if we can find the center. Got it. And we're just gonna, press it on. And hope everything adheres, which I'm sure it is. And yeah, that's on there pretty good, guys. So after we do that, we're gonna come and we're gonna install. Good thing I got 2 of them, because I don't feel like going way over there and get that one. We're gonna install the adapter right here. You can see that. So just gonna flip this, that way. There we go. Oh, you know what? I do have to go over there and get that one because it's a little different, guys. My bad. I'll put that back in there. All right, so we're gonna install that in there like that. And then screw goes in there. And just tighten this on up. It's very quick and simple. Make sure it's tight, hand tight. And then we're gonna take the Insta360 and we're gonna put it on here like such and just rotate this wheel. Which way? Do I rotate the wheel or the Insta360? I think I gotta rotate the Insta360. Okay, that works. And hopefully it gets tight facing me, but it doesn't. So let me see something. That's what I think that wheel is for, to be able to have it stop where you want it to. And I think it's just playing with it a little bit. Well, you know what? I might come back around and do it like this. Nope, not there. We're gonna get it, guys. Stick with me. Okay, guys, so it took a lot of finessing and figuring things out, but I think I got it. You know what I mean? So let me show you. All right, so there's the Insta360 mounted. Of course, I got this view. So it'll be able to catch the whole 360 view of me and the road. So now let's move on to the next spot. We're gonna do the heavy duty clamp next. One thing I do want to say that I like about that they did is there's a cushion on the inside of here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it right there. So that it's not like metal rubbing on metal, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to install it here on the passenger foot peg bracket. And what I still might do is like put some black electrical tape around it just to give it a little bit more cushion as well. But I'm just going to install it on here for mounting purposes. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so got the trusty little mounting tool, just in case we need that. So we're gonna slide it right on in there like that, and we're gonna hand tighten. And that might be all we need to do. I don't know if I need a tool or not. So we're gonna hand tighten. Oh, is it hitting it? Yeah, a little bit. Okay, so I gotta bring it around like that. Okay. All right. Yeah, I don't think I need a tool, but just for, show purposes, just tighten it one time with it. But like right there, guys, like it's moving the whole bike. So I'm gonna grab the Insta360 and put it on there so you can see what it looks like. That's the mount right there. Mount it, and that's how it'll be from the side. So I'll be able to catch this whole 360. You know what I mean? You'll be able to see, gear shifts down there and so forth and so on. So yeah, that's the mount. I don't know, is it blurry, guys? I hope it's not blurry. But yeah, you can see it. So let's throw the 360 on there. All right, now we're just gonna take and flip this Insta360 around. Oh, there's another piece that has to be tightened, see? First time for everything, so I'll just go ahead and tighten this lever right there so it's not moving like it was. And now we're gonna twist the 360 around on there and see if it, oh, there's another little wheel in there that's turning too, guys. So let me see. I'm gonna need two hands. Got two hands on it. Let me just twist that one. And then I can have it just like that. And that is perfect for me right there, guys. I think that's gonna be some amazing views. That's gonna catch, front action. It's gonna catch the rear action. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. And it's like crazy stable, guys. So I can see how you all out there with the 360s are getting those views. I can't wait to charge it up, and I won't be able to go out and test it out now because we're dealing with the storm that's out there. But I can actually play with it in the garage a little bit. So that's second mounting point. And now let's find our third mounting point. All right, guys, so since we got the center mount on the windscreen and we have the mount on the left side, I figured that we need something kind of more to the right, but not up front or anything like that. So what I came up with is putting it right here. So I'll be able to catch, the action from behind. I think that's where I'm gonna put it at for now. Or I could do it somewhere like right here. That might be cool as well. I think the low angles do really good. So you know what, guys? We're gonna go with it right there. I don't think I'll be blocking too much of it with my legs or anything like that. So we're gonna try that. But if you got any better suggestions, let me know. And guys, as undecided as I am, I changed it already. So I thought, okay, well, I already got rear view with the other side over there. I'm gonna go get a low front view right here. So let's go ahead and stick that on there. Get you guys a good view so you're not looking at, let me see where I'm gonna put it. Yeah, right there, that's a good view for you guys. So, I know it's not dirty, but just get any kind of extra stuff off of it. And of course, we're gonna save these because I'm not gonna always have all three mounts on. It just all depends on where I'm riding at. But this is just for installation purposes. And, they say hold it down for 30 seconds and then, give it 24 hours before you attach your camera onto it, but we're not going riding for at least another 72 hours because of the weather out there. Like I said, this is just for installation purposes. So let me go get the 360. Now I got the 360, and of course I got to attach this screw into this mount here. If not, it would definitely fall off. Tighten that up real quick. Hope you guys are having a good day out there today. All right. And then we twist on the 360. And wherever it stops, I mean, now it stops perfect. I think that's going to be the perfect view. Right here, I almost fell off my chair, guys. I think that's going to be the perfect view right there. And I might can, you know what? I might can loosen this up and bring it up a little bit more. Let's try that. See how that looks. Yeah, that looks a lot better. So now we're gonna get, all of that 360 action on this side. This is amazing, guys. I don't know who came up with the idea, but man, kudos to you. All right, guys, so with all of the places mounted on the, with the Insta360, I'm gonna give you guys a nice little cinematic video so you can see each one of the mounts. Like I said, this thing, it feels so sturdy. Uh-oh, I didn't let it sit for 24 hours, y'all. But it'll adhere to it. I just didn't push down on it long enough. I'm gonna go back and do that. But like I said, I wanted to give you guys a quick, unboxing and install. So what we're gonna get to doing is charging this 360 up. So then I can do some, some quick views from it and work with the interface. So hang tight and you'll get to see me work with, not work with the interface, but I'm gonna record some short video and I'll let you see, just basically how the 360 does.